Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm determined to have a great and productive week here at Nevermore Creations. We are going to have 4 journals added to the shop today. These are from Rita. A lot of you are familiar with her if you've been following me for a while. She provides journals for my online consignment shop. And before we go and look at her journals, I have a little haul I want to share with you from Craspire. So they sell mainly wax seals, but also stationery items. So they sent me this package and I'm excited to share it with you and show you what I've got. And then hopefully next week, I will do a little mini craft with me using some of these items. So I'll start with the wax seal part. So I mentioned last time they sent me a package that I've decided to start collecting the wax seal handles. I thought, you know, just having 1 or 2 handles would be fine. And I would just change out the heads, and it is fine. But they have, oh my goodness, Craspire has the most beautiful handles. And so the more that I have gotten, the more I fall in love with them. So I'm working on a handle collection. And this is what I've got this time. And this is a natural stone, I believe. I cannot remember what. Oh, maybe it'll tell me here. Does it tell me here? It does not. I don't remember what kind this is, but it's so smooth and beautiful. For those of you who know your natural stones, what would this be? Because I got an amethyst one before, and now there's this one. Really pretty. Kind of a yellow green. And 2 different wax seals this time that I've gotten. There's this one. It's just a sweet little sprig. Just a sprig of greenery. Perfect for, look at that. Perfect on this little green handle. That's beautiful. Perfect for nature journals. And I had to get this one because it's so cute. Now this is much bigger, a much bigger wax seal head, and it has a little duck. You can see that. Isn't that cute? So I got those to add to my collection. I'll put these links straight down in the description box below, as well as a coupon that they've provided me for you that I think you're going to enjoy. And then because they have stationery items, I got a couple stationery things. I have got a set of washi tape here. Excited about this. We have a nice wide one with maps. Beautiful. And then there's a script one. Tickets. Let's see. Grid, like a vintage grid graph paper. Vintage ads. I have a wider one like this, but I love this thinner one. That's really fun. And then, whoops, dropping them everywhere. Oh, this one's little vintage ladies. And then this one is also script, just a thin script. It says life is simple. All sorts of, not all love can do. We always love, always competitive. Just different words in a really pretty script. So that set of washi that I'm excited to add to my collection. And then I got some stickers as well. And I like that they have some more bulk sets. This is a nice bulk set of butterfly stickers. So it comes with 5 packs and there's 40 in each one. So I think that's what, 200 stickers. So I got the colorful butterfly ones. And this is probably what I'm going to use for the craft with me next week. So make sure you're subscribed. So I'm going to do something with these. But I love these little stickers. They're beautiful butterflies. Perfect to add. And I'm going to actually be making some ephemera with these as the focal point and showing you how easy it is to use these in lots of projects. So that will be my video for next week. But that's the Craspire haul. Thought you would enjoy seeing what they sent me to show you guys. So I have the handle, 2 wax seals, the set of washi, and then 200 butterfly stickers. Way too much fun, for sure. Love that. Okay, let me clear this, put it all back in its bag, and we will take a few minutes to look at Rita's journals. Excited. Set that to the side. Here we go. These are available for sale in my shop. Find the link in the description box below. All right, let's get centered. It's so bright, it's hard to see in my camera. All right, so this is a nice creamy printed collage with a fabric spine. Make sure I'm in frame here, having a hard time. It's called Times Past. All right, so she's used Vintage Days from Artie Mays. And then from my shop, she's used Capture Positivity and Fruit Ads. So I think a lot of these are Artie Mays. I love the paper she uses. It's thicker. Some nice little ephemera pieces tucked in here that you can use. Little baggie. There's a little ephemera folder here in the middle. It says today is enough. Great way to hold that ephemera so you can use it anywhere in any way you would like. Lots of lined pages for writing. A touch of grunge here and there. Really pretty. This is from Capture Positivity. It's like it's a little digital collage kit. I love that picture. These must be the Artie Mays pages. Pretty. I wish you could feel the paper. It's like I want to run my hand across each page. It's so smooth. Be so wonderful for writing on. You all let me know, what is your favorite pen for writing? Favorite brand, favorite type? Is it the Papermate Inkjoy, or have you found something better than that? So I was looking at pens on Amazon, but something I could get in relative bulk. You know, I don't want to spend $20 for 4 pens. I'd like to get a box or a set of them or something, maybe. And I was wondering what your favorite inexpensive set of pens for writing, and why do you like them? How do they write? Love your input on that. That is really pretty. You can see the rounded corners, the 3 signatures. Lots of room to go ahead and embellish it and add pops of color if you want, or keep it neutral and vintage. So many different ways and things that you can do with it. This is the next journal. It's absolutely adorable. So this is actually, the front is popped up with some foam dots, so you get this little bit of a 3D effect with the bunny and the nature canvas cover. And it's called French Rabbits, and she's used digitals from My Porch Prints. So if you love rabbits, this would be for you. And a great digital or print to purchase in my shop to go with this would be Down the Rabbit Hole, which is 3 pages of rabbit ephemera that I have. That would go really well with this. Look at the cute little bunnies. Here's a little ephemera folder. You know, this could be Easter, but, you know, rabbits aren't just Easter. Oh, look how beautiful. I really think that this is any time of year that you love rabbits. Cute. Little tucks. Pretty pages. A little notebook in there to write in. Lots of just rabbit pieces. Maybe you have pet rabbits. Maybe you have a family member that has pet rabbits. It would be a really fun gift. Great way to document that. So cute. I'd probably set it aside and just use it for next Easter. Wouldn't have to, but could be a garden journal as well. All right, so this is the next one. The cardstock has pink glitter roses on it. One signature. It's called Thoughts. She's used, okay, so from my shop, Blooms and Butterflies, that's part of the Dreamy Design collection, so you'd have to type in Dreamy Design. Then Country Piece. I don't know what Brown Flowers is. That might be Vintage Image collection. And some Stash. So just extra stuff that she's had laying around. These are from Blooms and Butterflies in the Dreamy Designs collection. Little library cards that you can use. This is from Country Piece. That was one of my first kits that I made. This is from Blooms and Butterflies. How pretty. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart. That's pretty. Be Still. This is Country Piece. Blooms and Butterflies. This is such a usable journal. All of these pages you can just use. Even back here you can write. Oh, that's an envelope. How pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Little pocket page. You can tuck things in. Some more library cards tucked in over here. Well, can't get it back in. Always at the wrong angle. Another little envelope. You put all of these pages. They're just so great to write on. They're light enough to write on. Even this, you can write on, oh, you can put a pocket, but you can even write on the white flowers. Put your favorite quotes. Have a heart that never hardens, and a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts. Charles Dickens. This is from Country Piece. This is also from Country Piece. Ideas. Blooms and Butterflies. Joanne and I did that one together. I love this cardstock she chose. You could put a cover image, but honestly, I just love the glitter accent, and a cover image could take away from that, so it would be totally up to you. We have one more journal to inspire us for today. That is this one right here. Another single signature. Oh, top got a little squished. There we go. Look at how pretty these colors are. Roses are forever. So she's used rose quotes from my shop, and as well Vintage Image Club, which is on sale. It's on my homepage, so you can find that easily. And inside of that club, there's different folders, and she's used the folder 1917 Roses, Cabinet Cards, and Tea Postcards. There's some other shops that she has used as well. If you love roses like I do, this would be for you. Look at how pretty that is. Love the stenciling effect. Lots of pink. Of course, some flower pages. Just pink splatters. Wonderful places to write. From Vintage Image Club, one of the images you get there. This is one of my stationaries. Secret Garden. It's called Secret Garden. You can just type that in. Pops up in my shop. So pretty. Her choice of ephemera goes so well with this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Lovely. So that's what we have today. Our 4 journals added. I hope that you enjoyed this video, got a little bit of inspiration. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see all of you tomorrow with more inspiration. I hope to have a journal I'm working on. I hope to have it done by tomorrow if I find enough time to finish it today. But if I do, I'll show that off tomorrow. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.